A tree whose leaves can relieve muscle spasms. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Tanag Clinhobia huspita of the family Bitneriaceae. The genus Clinhobia honors the German botanist Johann Heinrich von Clinhobius. The species name Hospita is derived from Latin meaning guest or host, referring to its relationship with certain insects or its habitat. Tanag is also called the guest tree as it hosts various epiphytes, lizards, insects, and snakes in its habitat. It is a small, slow-growing evergreen tree commonly found in low to medium altitude forests. Its wood can be used for medium to heavy construction, but is often used to manufacture small objects such as wooden shoes, musical instruments, handicrafts, and utensils. The leaves of tanag are applied to the forehead to cure headaches. Like laniting gubat, its leaves are relatively rich in steroidal alkaloids that can relieve muscle spasms. This tree's bark and leaves can be used to poison fish. It is commonly planted in urban areas, parks, and sidewalks due to its pink, showy flowers rich in nectar. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.